Hey everyone, just wanted to get back on here and give y'all a bit of an update about certain matters that's probably taking place within twin flame dynamics or any dynamic in general. It could be soulmate and whatnot, because I don't get a specific message sometimes pertaining to, well, sometimes I do get a specific message pertaining to which, like twin flame or so if soulmate or not. But this one could be general. At the moment, there is a bit more, I can say, I guess, like relieving of certain either patterns or people or stuff like that. It can be related to you still letting go of family or letting go of something you really, really enjoyed. Guy came to me and said, he told me it was suffering happening. Then he said sacrifice, because I asked him who, I guess, was suffering or what's suffering at the moment. He didn't specify, but I know I did get confirmation who he was referring to, though it can be for anyone because he would specify if it's only for one person or not. But yeah, there's a lot of letting go still, and it can be family, friends, and you'll get your revelation about it, or you'll get your dreams or signs about this person may have done you wrong. I don't know for sure if it'd be like that for everyone, but this person could have done something that something that's not right. I'm just gonna put it that way. I mean, because we all do. Like, we all make mistakes and all, but who knows, this person's intentions probably aren't the best and won't, I guess, really change at the moment. I don't know, but you will have your signs and your stuff to show you. But a lot of it is actually happening, and I know at the moment I am still going through sacrifices of certain things, removing of certain things that I need to get rid of. Guy came to me about it, and as well as my counterpart. You will know what it is. It will be something that either you will get in your dreams, you will be told through telepathy from your guide or your counterpart. You will get your confirmation about what it is you need to let go of. It could be tough, guys, but it's something that's necessary. I'm still working on mine, of course. Not gonna lie to you. But you guys just, you got this, seriously. And, there's also, could be a lot of pent up aggression coming up too. I'm not saying if it could be for everyone, but something that's probably dormant in you, a lot of pent up emotion probably is coming to the surface for you to relieve, for you to either relieve and ground yourself afterwards. It could be something like that. A lot is coming up for you to get rid of. It's a lot of baggage in a way. And I did get a lot of confirmations about unions for a lot of people. I kept hearing unions. I think a couple of nights ago, heard union one night, and another night I heard it again. And that summer unions for a lot of people still happening. And these letting goes are just ways for us to basically come together, and those who are going into union to come together and not have anything kind of holding them back, because your counterpart is kind of seeing certain secrets in regards to what's happening in your life, as well as you, twin flames. I will say that a lot of twin flames are getting these confirmations about it or what's happening with their counterpart. It's just something to help you see into their lives, even though you are connected no matter what. But you see into it, and I know that a lot of counterparts, masculine specifically, are guiding in a way. They're feminine, so you will know what you need to work on, what you need to let go. You will get your signs, your syncs. And yeah, I'll update you guys about something else, some other stuff, whenever it comes to me. There's a lot of stuff I get. I get a lot of channelings, a lot of visions. I need to figure out, and I'm still working on as I keep getting reminded by certain things. That's the thing about it, guys, is when you're a channeler and you speak to your guides at the same time, and they're guiding you, they guide you. That's what it is. There's no easy task to it because you have to learn. You have to go search for it. You have to go do your research. It's not an easy task. It's not going to be like they give you the answer for something. They want you to go look for it, go learn and challenge yourself to go find the answer. That's how you learn in general anyway. It's all a learning experience. And we're all learning as we go. That's kind of how life is. You know, you learn from your mistakes, and you learn from your lessons, and you learn about new things. And one of those things for sure is when you're a channeler, you have visions or telepathy and all that. Because I get messages through telepathy, visions, dreams. Yeah, I get it through like stuff like that. I even get it through physical things like synchronicity or messages through physical things. I guess you can say it like, excuse me. You can say it like a guide or guide have shown me something physical in front of me. Many people have it that way too, or I get it through angel numbers. But that comes in, yeah, physical too, or they tell me through telepathy, angel numbers. But yeah, you have to go look for it, guys. So I still got some stuff I need to find. I've been doing some research about certain things because it's one that's very pokey. That was not intentional, but it's something that I have to go look for related to that, or related to something. Do my research. But yeah, just work on yourself, guys. I swear it's worth it when you work on yourself. And I love you guys, and you take care. Seriously, take care of yourselves. Talk to y'all another time.